This is the brand new iPhone 17, and let's unbox it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Here's the phone. So we chose sky blue, I think. And man, it's really such a good phone. It looks very nice. And so it comes with the cable for charging. And that's about it for the phone. So now, the peeling, the moment I've been waiting for. That's perfect. And look at the phone. The screen is so smooth. Camera looks very nice. I gotta say, man, they did a great job doing this. So now, let's turn it on. So first, let's weight it. And it's measured in grams. So it weighs 178 grams, which is not that heavy, to be honest. It was lighter than I thought it was going to be. And here we have the home screen. So now let's set it up. So of course, we're going to put it in English. And I live in Canada, so let's put it Canada. So now the appearance, I don't know about y'all, but I like it medium. So now I'll quickly set it up with my old iPhone, which is the iPhone SE 3rd generation. And let's set it up. Well, I'm gonna put my network and I'm gonna put the code. I should be now in the Wi-Fi. So there's a software update, but I'll update it later. Data and privacy. Okay, continue. So I'll set Face ID up later. I'll just make my code. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I just set up the code and I will transfer my apps and data from my old iPhone. So let's do it right now. So unlock to continue. I'll just put my Touch ID. Okay, so now it's connecting. I'm gonna put the iPhone so that it could see the lighting. And now it's gonna get ready to transfer all my data to the brand new iPhone. Here, I'll just blur it. So I'll transfer also my phone number, which will get blurred, of course. Okay, so here I have to double click, so I just did that. And it should transfer right now. So as you can see, it's taken a while. This is completely normal and it's all part of the plan. And it just finished, which is perfect. So my eSIM is now available on this phone. And this phone uses eSIM. Yeah. So we'll continue. Software update, I'll just do it later. Face ID, I'll do it later. And transfer my data. So it's setting up my account and I'll also cut when it's done. So here it's signing in, terms and conditions, and I'm going to agree. Here's just signing in all my applications. This is completely normal. Turn on location services. I won't share my analytics with Apple. And let's set up Apple Intelligence, which is a brand new feature from the iPhone 16. The action button, I will customize it. So it could be silent, focus, the camera, visual intelligence, flashlight, voice memo, recognize music or Shazam, translate, and magnifier. Oh wait, and shortcut, and accessibility, and just no action at all. So me personally, I will put the flashlight for now. Continue. Siri, set up later. Emergency SOS, perfect. Transferring the data. Okay, so it should take some time, of course. This is completely normal. It's all part of the data transferring. So I'll cut to when it's done. And the iPhone is set up. Man, I gotta say, it looks so nice. So now I'm gonna put the code. So now I'm gonna click continue, and I'm gonna set up the Face ID later. Welcome to iOS 26. Continue. So it's installing a lot of my apps. And yeah, that's it. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to like and subscribe.